Gaming. Gaming is a very exciting area that we have our Xbox product that competes with Sony's PS2. And gaming is changing. It's not just changing because the graphics are more realistic, although that is a very big deal. As scenes become real, you start to be able to have social games where people are talking and moving around worlds and seeing each other. It is a break point where you can move away from just racing and shoot-'em-up type genres to things that appeal to everyone, not just the typical demographic there. With Xbox, one of the big things we've done is called Xbox Live, where you can talk to people as you're connected up on the online game. And so as you're competing, you can have contests, you can watch each other play, you meet your friends at a distance. That is just a glimpse of where gaming is headed. And all of these connect up to the internet. All of these, the subscription for Live is just part of our overall MSN strategy, where we have a variety of ways that we connect up to consumers. And we use the same name as you use in the other MSN properties in that gaming experience. Even TV will change. This is an area we got into and started investing in ages and ages ago. To date, it's still mostly set-top boxes from the past. You have some digital video recorders like TiVo, some richer satellite interfaces. But the real advance is when the TV signals are sent over the internet. We call this IPTV, and we announced trials of this with several customers this month. It'll take a few years before this is mainstream, but every broadband provider, both phone companies and cable companies, will move to deliver TV this way because it lets them have any number of channels, high definition, video on demand. The ads can be targeted, the ads can be interactive, and you're really not limited in the way that the system can work.